Hold on. Hey. Let's hit it up. You hear that bass? Yo. Let's hit him with a little kind of like, hey. Come on.
We just go no, it can't come close. Got it for the low. Waited for the 6, but it's going slow-mo. Yeah, don't go. I just can't come close. I'm looking for the low.
Alright. I mean, my name is CJ, this is CJKnowsTECH, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. I got a speaker for you. Now this is hands down probably one of, if not the best, Bluetooth speaker 360 orientation setup from Ultimate Ears. This is the MegaBoom 3. This thing is banging, this thing is booming. I got a lot to tell you about this thing. This thing is like the top of the line. So I'm trying to get into Bluetooth speakers. You want something that knocks, something that really fills a room 360. And that thing got awesome bass representation. It represents the bass so well. All I gotta say is that I was blown away immediately once I got this bad boy. So, you know what? I think my Christmas lights is all up in my eyes. You know what I'm saying? Hold on one second. We got the Christmas tree right here. You know what I mean? Holidays. Let me cut them off though. All right, so this speaker right here, the MegaBoom 3. Now, I've been getting into Bluetooth speakers as of lately. Recently, you saw me do that review on the Tribit X Boom. Now, I got this right here, the Ultimate Ears. This is a beast. This is a monster. This is the Bluetooth speaker. I can say that much, man. This thing is banging. All right, let's get into some of the things that you get offered when you roll with the Ultimate Ears. Number one, you get an app that you can get, which inside of this app, you know what? Let me go ahead and hit the record so that you guys can see it from my perspective. You know what I mean? Let's do the screen record, which is built into iOS, which is dope. I love that about the 10s Max. So, as you look right here, Ultimate Ears Boom app. They already know what speaker I got. They know what color I got. They know everything. So, right here, obviously, I got it set to the bass jump because I wanted to hear the bass on this thing, and the bass representation on this speaker is amazing. It's booming, like legit, mega booming. So outside of that, you can go to a custom, the standard, and so forth. It has these different EQs. Also, you can do the volume from here and also turn it on and off from here. Then there's another cool feature where you can set up with this magic button. Now, on the top right here, we have this magic button. With the magic button, what can you do? You can play, pause, skip, and there's a one-touch Apple Music playlist feature. So if you have an Apple Music playlist, as you can see right here in the app, you set it up in there, and from one touch, you automatically play in your favorite Apple Music playlist. Booming. That gives you less of a need to have to pull out your phone to get started with your, booming experience of music. And I love that. I love that app. I love the fact that I can customize the EQ. I'm big into audio. I play with EQs and frequencies and so forth. And speaking of frequencies, this has a frequency range from 60 hertz all the way up to 20 kilohertz. So from 60 all the way up to 20 kilohertz, which is cool because bass is in around that 40 to 60 hertz up to 100 hertz. Actually, from 40 up to 100 hertz is about where the bass frequency is. Starting at 60 is just fine. The human ears is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. I just educated you on some of that nerd audio stuff. So, you can spit that back out at your peoples, let them know that you legit. Now, as far as the Bluetooth on this thing, you got up to 150 feet is where it can reach. I haven't tested that. I don't know if I have 150 feet to walk away. I would have to do that outside or something. Walk away far from this thing, see how far I can actually get away from it. But truth of the matter and the fact of the matter is this thing, it booms from a long distance. Now, as far as charging, it comes with a fast charging brick. I love that. Anything that comes with fast charging bricks, you know what I'm saying? Apple, I mean, anyways, fast charging brick with the big speaker. And there's also this added thing, what is it called? What is that thing called? There's this thing you can get called the power up charging dock. And if you look under here, right there, it's like this little brick. I guess that would have power. So that way you can have charging on the go. So you can get that. That's an added accessory. Max volume of 90 dBs. When I was playing that, where was my volume at? Let's see. That was about a little bit past half when I was booming that. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let's boom it one more time. Because I don't think people. Now, let me go a little louder. Oh. I can feel the bass on the table, like the bass is booming. So this thing gets loud, and the beauty of it, if you got multiple, you can do multiples and you can really bang out a nice kickback party setup. I think you can pair up to a maximum of, like on the website said 150 of them, which is ridiculous. Put one in every single corner of your room, you know what I mean? Have it booming for real. But the audio representation on this thing is great. My ears were pleasantly surprised, and I was delighted by the audio that you get out of this thing. It's awesome, it's amazing. It's a pleasant, it's a, how would you say it? It's a beauty to listen to. It's a beauty to my ears. I got this thing and I have been using it ever since. Non-stop music going in my background as I grind, as I do what I do. So from this all morning, I've been booming. As far as water resistance with this thing, you got an IP67 rating and it floats. So if you were to accidentally knock it into the pool, it's gonna float up to the top really quick, grab it, get it out, shake it out, and you're good to go. Now, if you look at this thing is a beauty, baby. And like I told you, my favorite color, red. So I got the red one. So this is a beautiful red one. And what's really dope is it has like this color shifting. I don't know if this is a mesh or what, but all I know is this thing color shifts with the lighting. It's really, really nice. This thing is really premiumly built, and the design is A1. It's clean, it's sleek, and it looks good. So like, it's great. Like, this is gonna be in my background at all times on my desk. So it's a nice added visual piece as well as an added audio piece, like a great audio piece. I am enjoying this thing, like genuinely, I love it. It's awesome. I can't tell you enough about this, you know. You might look at this thing, it looks premium, looks nice. It is not delicate. I want you to know that. This thing has a drop resistance. You know, this thing could take whatever you could throw at it for the most part. So it's made to get out, look good while you're doing that, and perform well. So the MegaBoom 3 from Ultimate Ears is a superior, go, 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 get it now, link in the description. I'm telling you, this speaker is amazing, it's great. Like literally after I cut off this video, I will be pressing play. Matter of fact, I think I'm about wrapped up everything I need to say to you. Like I told you, it's all 360 sound. Man, it's everything that you would want in a Bluetooth speaker. This is like the creme de la creme, and I'm sold. I know it's booming. So I'm about to boom out right now, but you know, I'm about to play some of that non-copyrighted, you know, some of that, I mean that copyrighted stuff, so I can't really play it in the video. I might let you hear like 2 seconds of it. My name is CJ, this is CJKnowsTECH, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. Let me find me something to play up out of here, you know what I'm saying? Let me get up in Apple Music, what I got. Peace. I'm out, man. Hurry up, man, before we get the copyright strike, man, hurry!